No bad language, because this guy can pick it up anywhere. And I can now. My name's Bill Cooksley, founder member of the club 1961. Still here, still doing the chores. It keeps me young and healthy, so I'm going to keep it going as long as I possibly can, until my shoes wear out. I have to put enough in, otherwise the ref will say, put some more nails in there. Well, all right.
Penrhiwceiber is an old coal mining village. It's very close and tight-knit, and everything we do, we kind of do with each other, and we bring each other along with it. I often say that we've kind of never expected a lot other than what we do for ourselves.
As much as we play football, we are a football team. We try in every way we can to support our community. You know, we are a little community, we live in a deprived area, so all that we can do to give back, that's really up on our list of to-dos. Anyone who needed anything, they wouldn't feel like they couldn't reach out to us at Penrhiwceiber Rangers for us to support them, and that's, you know, I think is testament to the club that we are, really.
Everybody that's been here, and they've come from all over the place, they've always said the best time of my football career was over in Penrhiwceiber on the Glassbrook with you, dull buggers, running it.
I've been associated with the club my whole life. I was a mascot, I think the first ever mascot for Penrhiwceiber Rangers when I was 8. My dad was manager he was player manager first, and then he was manager, well, up until the Saturday before he passed away. So it's always been, you know, really in our hearts, Penrhiwceiber Rangers. So that association just makes it that little bit more special for me, really.
Steve Aggett is Mr. Penrhiwceiber Rangers Football Club. So, and you know, nobody will ever be able to forget that, because we're very proud of the groundwork he put in, and I think Danielle have just followed on by default. But she's supported by a great committee, great fans, great village, and like I said, it's up to us all to manage expectations around and to grow the club together.
When I first got here, obviously he was my dad's best friend, and then as the years have gone on, it's basically turned into I was his best friend, he was my best friend, and it's like he's my godfather, and he took me under his wing and brought me through, and we had some good times here, and hopefully he'll just continue now and I can take the legacy on a little bit further.
Our club badge is an acorn, and you know, I've been connected with the club for so many years, and I actually didn't know until a couple of years ago that the acorn really symbolises a small starting off, which it was some 60 years ago, but how our branches have grown into like a mighty oak tree, and kind of our roots will always remain as one. So I really think that kind of makes you realise like the passion and the commitment, and that's kind of really something I think our badge symbolises, that we might be small, but we're a mighty little village.
They wanted to get the club into the Cymru South. Obviously the first season we tried, didn't succeed, but the second season we got promoted and we deserve to be in this league. And it's just showing now that we've had a tough start, but as the season goes on I think we'll get better.
No matter what the result may be, we'll always get behind the team, as we always do get behind all our teams. And you know, we'll just try and punch as best we can again, I guess.
We know it's going to be a tough challenge, but we're up for that challenge, and that's one thing I can say about Penrhiwceiber. When the odds are against them, that's when we will always come out fighting.